So into bengisazobuza yena ukuthi ama-challenges of you being a graduate and then you ended up being a street vendor.
Yeah.
Like bangathi abanye they will look at it as if you lost your pride.
Yeah.
How has it been for you?
I think mina I only had a problem with my parents. You know, it took my time. I mean, it took time for my parents to understand with this guy.
Yeah.
You know, because sometimes you would say ispana sikho kanti umdala akafuna uspana. Umdala ufuna ukwenza into yakho. You understand? When uzibasela ukuthi ispana. But whenever you do, mina, because I could do anything, sell anything, and it would sell. You know, and I realized with okay, sharp. This is my strong point. You know, this is my strongest point. And the mailing focus you know, but it took time for my parents to understand because they paid for school, you know,
exactly.
So they're expecting me to get a job on 20-something K and give them 5-7K a month, you know, and it was never like that, you know, because after I graduated, I was strong with entertainment.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and you know, entertainment doesn't really pay until you blow up, you know. Yeah. So,
I know what you mean.
So the beginning of it all is a sacrifice, you know, and they never got to understood that until I moved out of their house.
Okay.
Because the time I was you know. And then when I moved out as Zola, in a couple of years, sebayabona okay untana sekayaqala uyosenda imali. Can aba understand ukuthi okay. Ne sharp. Because obviously umzali uzoba namahloni nyana ukuthi antwana ubalile
wayesikoleni imali zami
mntanami uyabona upheka amapapa uthengisa estradini. But then once they start seeing the money coming in, trust me, they're going to change their minds.
I heard you said you lost your dad.
Yeah.
Tell me about it. How did you take it? Because akakhulisanga, but as you said that he was always there.
Yeah.
So babakho bekahlala nomunye umuntu.
Nah.
Bezihlalele.
And I won.
Okay.
So he passed away 2012. I was doing matric.
What?
Yeah. I was doing matric. About to start my prelims, I think, somewhere there. So yeah, when he passed away, cause I was too focused on the exams and stuff, you know?
Yeah.
I felt like it kind of went over my head until the unveiling, you know, when
the next year.
Yeah, because I started crying in the unveiling. In the funeral, I was normal, you know, but yeah, at the unveiling, that's where I realized this guy, I say I couldn't take a life in the unveiling. You know, it's a sure. And that's where it started hitting me, you know. And it becomes a challenge, young told maso cool banabantwana.
Yeah.
You know.
How many kids do you have?
It's 3 now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you married? Same
yes.
mother?
Yes, same mother.
Good.
Same mother, yeah. So you know, sometimes you need your dad's advice about certain things, you know. So yeah, when it comes to that, you know, when I know the only person that can give me advice on this is this guy. And this guy you know.
Then you have to find yourself ways now to survive and to come up with ideas.
You have to be your own dad. Angithola uhlale uthi yo shit ngizoyenzani makusoya no. So yeah. But yeah, I a lot of people say I took a lot from my dad.
Okay.
Because my dad was also a businessman like us. You know.
Yeah.
Sunday.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. No, it makes sense.
Yeah.
It does make sense now.
Yeah. So people say I took a lot from him.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I always knew that I was big. No man happy as because benginokuya eCalabash kusase Yellowstone. I used to go there. Randfontein.
Ngiyabona kule entrance ngasema garage le. Yes.
I used to go there alone.
Wazibani lapha ya?
Ngazi umuntu.
But it's closer to Tecumseh there. So there is a Muryu, amakhaladi, indawo yamakhaladi kakhulu abadlalela namaxhaka.
But I always knew ngibhekile
uhamba uyi-1
hamba ngiyi-1
so ubani like okupreparelayo lezi zinto abamapapa in
I did
okuphekelayo
everything ngistoka ngibuye ngiprepare inyama ngikhathe isibindi ngikhathe
and then you
inhliziyo
have to have your secret ingredients to taste different from esinye isibindi esaziwa abanye abantu
yeah and mine was very different, you know, because bengisekasi nayizolo I couldn't hear the end of it. Wonke umuntu ongibona mfethu yasilimaza yasikhawatha mfethu, you know. And I went to that spot bengithengisa kuyo. And I said to myself, yabahlula le spot lesi yazi. Lesaka Vasco, I was like, no man. Siyabahlula, and I gave people a chance, you know. Well, nice space. Because there, you know, Mongayara, there's like 5 tables now. And when I started, it was just me. Fighting with Vasco every night. I used to fight with that guy.
Uthini?
Shout out to Vasco.
Uthini because of I see angisho indawo ye-municipality yena ungenaphi lapho?
Shangazi mfethu. It got to a point where I said those kind of words, you know, with yeah, but hey,
ispace sakho siphelela la mina ungenaphi?
But now mang change a situation ngibheka ukuthi okay, let me put myself in Vasco's shoes, you know. Yeah, you have a place, you know. I understood where his anger came from. He just didn't have the right approach.
But you were selling a different thing from what he was selling.
But it was selling. That's the thing. You know, it was selling. Magaphuma naye la magabona uyabona mfethu abantu ba-round itafula lapha. I'm saving like 10 customers at once, you know. Because people really liked my food and really liked me and really liked the business. So I had support in it. Like, nambe nginokuthuka sometimes ukuthi yo.
For sure.
Phela ngibenginokupeka ipapa.
Unemfene yakhe.
Thola ukuthi ngo-2 AM ngiyokupeka i-5 kg yepapa. That pot izophela isashisa.
Mara abantu bayalama ngabedakiwe ufuna ipapa and uyacabanga endlini sazoqafika ngiprepare
so yeah you know
and then yazi umngane wami uke wangixoxela something yabona ke entrance le phezulu ngase Eskom phela Eskom ihlala iEskom angazi ukuthi wayebuya kuphi just that first junction it was midnight there were people who were wearing black things covered. Bebhizi bashaya ama-cross ngamagazi ra. Ngithi manje wena wenza uthi I froze. Ngithi awusababuza nokuthi uzobuza ubone ukuthi lana abantu babhizi. You know, so that is why I was asking you ukuthi wena like ebusuku ubungasabi because zibani kukho abantu abathwebuliwe abazihambelayo nje you know uzocabanga ukuthi umuntu